everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's a Jazzy Fizzle Productions. Oh, hey, Miss A, the princess is here. Yeah, you know the deal. If you are a old subscriber, you know the dizzle. If you're a new subscriber, I used to have an intro with that song, and I miss it so much, but I'm not allowed to use it, so. But anyway, so today I'm gonna do a quick little video on how to get curly ends on your braids. I actually did this video a long time ago, but I accidentally deleted the files. So I was like, what you doing, Willis? Yeah, I actually deleted it and I was very upset because it was such a good video. I don't know if people do this, but this is what I did and it worked really good, and yeah, so I'm about to make another video for you guys because, you know, and I didn't even get my hair braided for a long time after that. So your girl just got her hair braided today. I wanted a little bit darker braids, so you can still see like my blondish hair popping through a little bit, but I think it's cute. What is that?
Excuse me?
I don't know, let's just pretend that's not there. But anyway, so I'm gonna show y'all how to curl the ends of box braids. So since they use synthetic like silky hair, like the kind of braiding hair they use, this is how the texture usually is afterwards, and I don't particularly care for it, to be quite honest. But when you get curly ends, sometimes I don't like the way it looks either, and then you can get real hair, but it just costs more. So I'm just gonna show y'all the easy, quick, cheaper way. So all you're really gonna need is a towel, hot water, and perm rods. Yes, I just get these at the beauty supply, or you could even get the little foam sticks and then you wrap it around. You could do the same thing. But anyway, so you just want to get your little perm rod, open it. When you open it, it has like a rubber band. So this part holds it tight whenever you curl around it. You want to get a braid. Boom! You want to start a little bit up, not just where the hair is straight. You want to get a little bit of the braid. So this, I'm going to start here. And then you're just going to hold it. And then wrap around and get all the little straight hairs in there, and just wrap it all the way down. Hold it, and then get the thing, and then clip it back at the bottom. Boom. There. Done. And then you just want to do that to the all of your hair, all of the ends. So we're going to go ahead and get another one and repeat the steps. Oops, I already did that one. Super easy, but I'm telling you, it makes the hair look so much better. Like, I literally love the way the curly ends look. And you can get the curly ends so quick and easy, it's kind of crazy. And there we go. So I have half of them wrapped up, and I'm gonna do half so y'all can see the difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some hot water. I'm gonna put it in the microwave for a while till it boils, and then I'll be right back. Okay, back. My water is hot. As you can see the steam. I put it in for about 4 minutes because you want it like quite hot. You want it like boiling hot. And then you're gonna need a towel. So make sure you got that towel. So I'm gonna go ahead and get half of these, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and dip them in. The water is hot, so y'all see the cup there. So you just dip it in, let them sit for, just, you know, like it's your tea. Yeah, like, you know, just dipping my tea in the hot water. That is all. Boom. So you just literally just sit it in there. And then you're gonna put it in your towel and squeeze. And while that's in the towel, then go ahead and do your other half. Dip it in. We're making some real fresh hot tea today, you know what I'm saying? But the tea is, ow! Yeah, that was hot. So you don't need to leave it in that long because obviously the water is hot. And then you just want to put it in your towel and squeeze it. Okay. So there we go. The hair has been dipped. Now it's time to take out. So you just whoop, take it off, and then you unravel. And then boom, you got a little curly end. So now you just want to keep unraveling. Just repeat that step. You see, and like the curls just come out natural looking. They actually kind of look like your hair. Boom. And then if you have any little strands like this, at the very end, just go ahead and chop that little thing off. Boom. All set. That's a cute little one. Look at it. Oh, I got a cute little one here. And it looks so natural. And there we go. Here is the curly ends. I just like the way curly ends look. Let me show you the before and after. So here is the before, and then here is the after. It just looks like your hair. Like these, you see how they're all shiny, whatever? And these, now they're all curly and together. I just like the way this looks personally. It looks like it's your actual hair. You see? Curls versus the straight. The straight actually looks like you have box braids, and then the curls, you don't know. The curly just looks more natural. I like the way it looks. And yeah, so that is a very, very easy way to curl the ends of your hair yourself at home. So if you got box braids right now, girl, go to Sally's or go to the store and get you some perm rods. Anyway, I'm gonna go do the exact same thing to this side. And yeah, we're about to have curly ends, baby. Boom, okay. There we go, I just finished this side. Now I'm gonna repeat. Water's still steaming, all right, great. I don't need to go and redo it. There we go. I wish I had a longer shirt on so you could see. But look at this. Oh, I'm all trying to grab this strand of hair and I'm looking in my viewfinder, so it looks like it's this side, but it's really this side. So that's what that was. But anyway, so here is the final result. They just look cute, and like this looks like natural hair. Whenever it's straight, you can tell there's extensions, but now I bet people will be like, are those extensions or is that your real hair? And I'll be like, it's my real hair. But yeah, so here is a easy way to curl your own ends of your box braids. And by the way, this works with synthetic hair. That's why it's working with hot water, because this hair is synthetic. Synthetic means plastic pretty much. So anyway, whenever you get your hair braided, they dip your hair in hot water to seal it so the braids don't come undone. So they're already sealed, so you can just boop, do this, or you can even ask your stylist to do it. They'll probably do it, but you can just do it at home for free, you know what I'm saying? Wait, did I forget one? Wow, I forgot one. How did I do that? There we go. So, again, here's the final look. I don't even know if that one was poking through the whole time. Pretty sure it wasn't. But anyway, boom. Anyway, that is exactly how to get some bomb curly ends, and it looks like it's your natural hair. It looks like you got inches. No, this is all natural. All however many inches this is. You know, I got waist length braids. Extensions who? extensions where? But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this tutorial. I hope it helps you. Let me see you with your curly ends. And yeah, so I will see you guys on the next upload.